Hey everyone! If you're spending hours on Slack, why not make it look the way you like? In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change your theme in Slack so it fits your style. Whether you love dark mode for those late night sessions or prefer a clean light mode, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open up your Slack app. Now here's a little tip. Depending on your version, you'll find your profile picture either in the top right, top left, bottom right, or bottom left corner of the app. Look around and find that profile icon. Once you've found your profile, click on it to open the drop-down menu. Now in this menu, look for Preferences and select it. Next, you'll see a section called Themes. In some versions of Slack, it might actually be listed as Appearance, so keep an eye out for that. Now when you're in the Themes section, you'll see an option for light and dark mode. But if you want something a little more personalized, just scroll down a bit and you'll see the Custom Theme option. Click on the theme you like. Once you've made your choice, the theme will apply instantly. That is quick and easy, right? Now you've got your Slack looking just the way you want. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cool Slack tips. Thanks for watching.